Hello everyone, this is Anil. This is the second video to create PowerPoint presentation using LaTeX environment. So in the last video, I have explained how to create PowerPoint slide. So first, how to create the frame. So that is the first video, and this is the second video. In this video, I'm going to explain some of the commands. The first one is text manipulation. So when you type in LaTeX, right, the default color is black. The PowerPoint presentation you create, right? So all the text will appear in black. So if you want to change the color, right? So whatever text you write, if you want to change the color, so you have to use this command, text color. In curly bracket, you have to mention the color. So I have given here list of colors. From this list, you can choose any color as per your wish. And this is your text. So I'll show in LaTeX environment. So before that, I want to explain the theory. So it's easy for you to understand. So basically, to change the color, right? So you use the command here, text color. In curly bracket, you mention these colors. Okay, and this is your text. You understand this once I type in commands in LaTeX environment. So basically, remember that if you want to change text color, you have to use this command. The next one is font style. So basically, you suppose you type in here like learning LaTeX. Okay, so you are learning LaTeX. So if you want to if you want this text to appear in bold format, you have to use this command, text bold format, in curly bracket your text. Okay, suppose if you want your text to appear in italic, this is the command, backslash text italic, in curly bracket your text. If you want your text to get underlined, you have to use this command, backslash underline, in curly bracket your text. So these things are helpful to make your PowerPoint presentation somewhat more attractive. So if you want to change, there are three different styles, font styles. One is bold format, second is italic, third one is underline. Okay. Next is, if you want to increase font size from normal to large, you can use this command. If you want to further increase, right, you can use this capital L. You replace this small l with capital L. If you want to further increase, change with this with huge, Huge. So let me use small color, huge. If you want to further increase font size, you have to use capital H, huge. So it will appear very big until and unless it is necessary to make very big, then only change it. One is large to increase the size. If you want to further increase, change L with capital L. If you want to further increase, use this command huge. If you want to increase further, use capital HUGE. So this is how you increase font size. Okay, backslash large in curly bracket your text. Next is, if you want to combine everything, so how you do it? So you can come the benefit the advantage of latest environment is that you can combine all these commands like text bold format. Actually, uh, I explained here, right? Text color backslash. You can mention any color, right? You can use either red here, okay, or you can use directly backslash and alert, backslash ALERT, alert, in curly bracket your text. Okay, either use this command or you can use this command, text color, only for red. If you want to include remaining colors, right, then you have to use this command only. There is no option. Only for red, either you use text color command or you use alert command. It's up to you. So that thing only I mentioned here, alert. Either you use alert command or text color. Only for red. If you want to change the color, then you have to use text color only. There is no option. So if you want to combine color, style, like bold format and size, large, so you can combine everything. Okay. Next is Teletypefont. It will appear somewhat different from normal text. When I type in LaTeX, you will understand this thing. Teletypefont. If you want to include Teletypefont, so this is the command, text TT, Teletype font, and here your text will appear here. Okay. So basically, in this video, I explained. This is the second video. In first video, I explained about how to create basically frame. Okay, and here I included some other command. The first is text color. Okay, then is font style, bold text bold format, text italic, backslash underline, and then I talked here about how to change the size. Here I combined everything, and here I include here, if you want for normal type, if you use this kind of text TT, your text will appear somewhat different. You'll experience it once I show in LaTeX environment. Okay, so let me open my text environment. To make the video shorter, I already typed everything. So this thing I already explained in previous video, how to create the frame, begin frame, end frame. Okay, just like this is the title. So suppose let me run it. To run it, you have to click on this build and view. You can see here, right? Build and view. See, I typed here create frame. The same thing appeared here. Create a frame. Okay. And whatever text I appeared, some random text I typed here. Learn latest from YouTube. So whatever typed here now, the same thing appeared here. Learn latest from YouTube. Okay. Then this thing I explained in previous class. So in this class, I want to explain about how to change the color. So I use one is red. Uh, uh, so let me run it. Okay. See here I use begin frame and end frame, right? So it created one frame here. Again I use the command here begin frame end frame. So it is created now second slide. This is slide number 1. This is slide number 2. Okay. In this slide you see I kept the title as color. So the title appeared here as color. Then I use text color red. In curly bracket, whatever I type now, that will change to red. In curly bracket, I kept learn latex. See, learn latex only appeared in red. Once I came out of curly bracket from YouTube, right, it appeared default black color. Okay. Backslash text color. In curly bracket, I mentioned red. Then again, how to open one more curly bracket. In this curly bracket, whatever I type it, right, only that text will appear in red. Remaining will appear in default black color. I hope you understand this. Either you use text color red or you can use alert command. So alert learn latest from YouTube. So both appeared in red. You can use any one of these. And I use one more is blue green. So this is how the color will appear. Okay, in curly bracket I mentioned here. So you can pause the video and you can experience all this list. Okay, you can type one by one and you experience all this. Okay, to make the video shorter, I explained only for 2 to 3 colors. Okay, and so this is about second slide. Next slide is this one. Okay, here I explained about font style. So like I explained before, to make the text to appear bold, I have to use text to bold format command. To appear italic, text italic. To make underline, backslash underline. So I kept the title as font style. The same title appears here, font style. And I typed here bold format, right? That's why the text appeared in bold format. Since I use here italic, the text appeared as italic. Since I used here underline, so whatever text I typed here, right, everything appeared in underline. You observe one thing, at the end I type two backslash line. Okay, two backslash, two backslash. The reason is that it will break the line. Suppose if I don't type it now, suppose remove these two. So what will happen? After this, it will continue from here. Okay, it is only for to break the line. Suppose let me run it. See, the text continued from here. To make to break the line, right, you have to use two backslash line. Okay, see now the text appeared below this. Okay, remember that these two backslash line are only to break the line. Okay, next I combined everything here. So bold format, alert, large. So this learn latex is there now. Uh, this thing will change here since it is only in curly bracket. Okay, I kept the title as combine. So the title appeared here combine. Okay, first one is I made this YouTube as large. Second is I combined everything here. Bold format, so text appeared in bold. Alert means the text will appear in red. Large, so for normal font size too, it will change to large. Okay. In next slide, I explain the last one, Teletypefont. Suppose let me run one more time. So you can see here, right? This is a normal text. Learn latest from YouTube. Okay. And here I use text TT, teletype font. And you can clearly see the difference, right? Normal text and teletype font. Okay. Somewhat difference is there. So if you want your text to appear in this format, you can use this command text TT. For case normal default is this is how it will appear. It's up to you. Okay. So these are the things I want to. I'm making video shorter so that you can practice and it's easy to digest. So in this video, I focus on how to give commands for color, how to give commands for font style, and how to combine everything, and how to uh, change the font from normal to teletype font. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining. Thank you.